Thank you for joining us for Cobalt Tutorials. In this video, we will be using Cobalt's Form Designer to set up a new form. The Form Designer allows users to create unique pages for questions, text details, and summary information to link to many regular portal processes, but also as standalone questionnaires. The Form Designer can be accessed through the Web Elements site if you have one, or through the settings in Dynamics 365. Click Settings and navigate to the Forms section, where you can create new forms or edit an existing one. If using your Web Element Designer, go to the Designer URL and click Custom Elements. Then in the drop-down, select the Form Designer. Regardless of where you start, the next steps are the same. Create a new form record and give it a name only. Once this record is saved, then the Form Designer is ready to launch from the toolbar. The first step is to decide if this form will be related to an existing process, such as customer profile updates, applications, registrations, elections, and custom web element types, or if it will be a standalone form. If the form is to be used as part of a process, then select the related entity in the right side column. If this will be a standalone form, select the entity that form responses should be linked to in the left side column. For this example, I'll select the meeting registration form response on the right and click Configure Form. The wizard will create a single question page and a single section by default. Additional pages and sections can be added as needed. Forms related to other processes usually only require question pages, but as you can see when I click Edit Page, additional page types are available. These are most useful for standalone forms, such as the text page, which allows the configuration of a text-only page, often used as a submission receipt. The summary page will generate a summary of all question responses from the form. Existing processes already have these page types and do not need them added to related forms, so we'll stick to the question page for this demonstration. There are a couple customizations available for a page. The name field displays in CRM only, but the page title and page instructions can be updated to provide information for customers to view on the website. Under Advanced Options, the page sort order allows users to set the order in which pages for multi-page forms display. When you're finished customizing your page, click Save Page to go back to the full designer. If you made no change, then click Cancel to return to the full designer. Sections can be used to organize data on the page. Click Edit to create a unique section label. This can be used internally or displayed on the portal. Under Advanced Options, the sort order can be set if you have multiple sections. Otherwise, leave one as the default. Click Save Section to retain changes and return to the full designer. To add a new section, simply click Add Section, and then you can click Edit to customize details as was done for Section 1. Once you've set up your page and sections, it's time to add custom questions and details. We'll explore that in our next video. Thank you for joining us for Cobalt Tutorials.